Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both applications and linking a clip. This saves time later. Open Final Cut Pro and select a representative clip. Right-click and choose Open in Motion so you inherit timeline settings. In Motion, select the correct project preset to match frame rate and codec. This prevents render mismatches. Once aligned, set up layers for titles, generators, or behaviors. Name them clearly. Make sure your Motion template folder is reachable, so Final Cut automatically sees updates. Now you build the template. Create groups for each element, then add behaviors or keyframes to animate position, scale, and opacity. Use parameter rigs to expose useful controls, like color, duration, or size, so editors can tweak without opening Motion. Make sure to publish only essential parameters to Final Cut. This keeps the inspector tidy. Use linked media and work at full resolution to avoid quality loss. As you animate, check the render indicator and make cache-friendly choices to speed playback. Finish by saving and publishing the Motion project so Final Cut Pro detects the template in its browser. Apply it to a timeline clip, then tweak the published controls, timing, color, scale, and render the section to confirm performance. If the template behaves unexpectedly, first clear Motion and Final Cut caches, then verify project presets match the sequence. Mismatched frame rates or codecs often cause jumps. Finally, relink any missing media and republish. This usually resolves glitches and restores smooth playback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.